नमस्कार, तुम्ही वृत्त मराठी पाहताय. वांगणीमधील डॉल्फिन इंग्लिश स्कूलच्या माध्यमातून विद्यार्थ्यांच्या खेळाडू वृत्तीला प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी वार्षिक क्रीडा स्पर्धांचे आयोजन करण्यात आले होते. अत्यंत उत्साहात विद्यार्थ्यांनी या क्रीडा स्पर्धांमध्ये सहभागी होत खेळाचा आनंद घेतलाय.
ग्रामीण भागातील विद्यार्थ्यांना उत्तम दर्जाचं इंग्रजी माध्यमाचं शिक्षण मिळावं यासाठी नेहमीच प्रयत्नशील असणाऱ्या डॉल्फिन इंग्लिश स्कूलचा वार्षिक क्रीडा महोत्सव नुकताच संपन्न झालाय. या क्रीडा महोत्सवाअंतर्गत विविध स्पर्धांचे आयोजन करण्यात आले होते. या स्पर्धांमध्ये क्रिकेट, कबड्डी तसेच डॉजबॉल यांसारख्या गेमचे आयोजन करण्यात आले होते. विद्यार्थ्यांनी या खेळांमध्ये उत्स्फूर्तपणे सहभाग घेत या खेळाचा आनंद घेतला. विद्यार्थ्यांच्या कलागुणांना आणि क्रीडा स्पर्धेतील खेळाडू वृत्तीला वाव देण्यासाठी आणि प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी या क्रीडा महोत्सवाचे आयोजन करण्यात आले होते. अत्यंत दिमाखात हा क्रीडा महोत्सव संपन्न झालाय. या क्रीडा महोत्सवानंतर विद्यार्थ्यांनी आणि शिक्षकांनी आपल्या प्रतिक्रिया दिल्यात. पाहुयात.
Myself is Virat. I am from 10th A and I am the sports captain of this school. I just joined this year. Dolphin English High School arranged and organized an annual meet on 15th and 16th December 2023. It was a wonderful and marvelous experience for me as I enjoyed playing games and also won those games. Very individuals and group games were arranged by school and it was a very good experience for me to experience these things. And though we have lost many games or won it, but I have learned many life lessons and group lessons from it. Thank you.
So, my name is Lokvir Goyal. I am studying in 9th standard. So, as we all know that our school, Dolphin English High School, have conducted a sports event for everyone to enjoy and learn something new. So, we know that this event can have 4 houses: red, green, orange, red, green, blue, and yellow. We enjoyed a lot. There were several games like kabaddi, running, cricket, and dodgeball. We enjoyed playing all of the games. We learned something new from each and every game.
We are Kalani from 10B and I am from 10th standard. It is really amazing being a part of an sports meet arranged by Dolphin English High School 2022. I have been studying for 10th year and it is the first time that we got to play our sports day in such a big crowd. It was really amazing experience and I'm the head girl of the school from the yellow team and I played as a team member rather than individual and it was really amazing. And even though we might have lost in some games, but we learned a lot of life lessons and I'm really proud to be a part of this school. Thank you.
Dolphin English High School and Junior College has arranged this sport event, and every year we arrange it in the month of December. And this sport is being organized for the benefit of the students, like they learn team spirit, teamwork, cooperation. And to answer the questions like why has this been arranged, as I told you already, that students learn team spirit, teamwork, cooperation from all this. And according to the ratio, if you ask me, the ratio has been really very good. We have maximum number of students participating for this event, and they really have learned whatever we wanted to inculcate into them.
आमच्या डॉल्फिन स्कूलच्या मार्फत बोलायचं झालं तर खूप अशी मुलं ॲक्टिव्ह आहेत, खूप खेळणारी मुलं आहेत, खूप चांगली एकदम. आणि आतापासून त्यांना प्रॅक्टिस करत होतात. त्यांची प्रॅक्टिसमार्फत पोरं चांगली खेळतात. त्यांना तालुका लेवलला खेळवतो, आम्ही जिल्हा लेवलला खेळवतो. स्कूल गेम चालतात, त्या स्कूल गेममध्ये पण पार्टिसिपेट करतात मुलं. तिथून आम्ही पुढे मुलांना जसे जसे मुलं प्रॅक्टिस करणार त्यानुसार ते पुढे जातील. म्हणून मुलांना जास्तीत जास्त आम्ही प्रॅक्टिस घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो, जेणेकरून आम्हाला पुढे 1-2 वर्षात त्यांना स्टेट किंवा नॅशनलला खेळवता येईल असं आम्ही स्वप्न बघतो.
like, comment, share and subscribe.